How to fix and solve AliExpress locked account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix AliExpress account is locked. Try again issue. If your AliExpress account is locked, then you could follow the steps. Now before that, make sure to understand the reason behind why your account is actually locked. Now, some of the common reason or the issue might be suspicious activity. AliExpress may temporarily lock account if they detect unusual activity such as multiple account attempts, multiple login attempts from different location or devices, and likewise it could be a security concern or multiple account or having multiple account with the same phone number. So this could be an issue. So likewise, in order to fix it, what you could do is, first thing first, what you could do is you could try updating your application. So for that, you want to go to the Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in AliExpress and check for an update. Sometimes outdated version can lead to this sort of issue, so make sure to go ahead and update your application. After which, what you want to do is make sure to go ahead and clear cache as well as data. For that, long press the application, click the I button, and after which go to storage and cache, and here click on clear cache and click on clear storage. That should be able to fix it as well. If that's not working out, then what else you could do is you could try contacting the support team. So for that, open up a browser, and on the web address bar you want to type in AliExpress support, and here you could go to the help center, let them know about the issue, and your matter will be solved. And additionally, you could also try using a strong password or make sure to change your password, and you could also try enabling your two-factor authentication for the safety or security concern, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to solve AliExpress locked account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.